My name's Lavook. It's my '06 Pontiac GTO. It's been fully restored. As a matter of fact, it was actually totaled at one point. So a donor car was purchased. Body of the donor car was in perfect condition. So we took the heart of the machine, transmission, engine, tore it down completely to make sure it was safe, rebuilt it. Other than that, we actually tore it down, complete shell, gutted interior, full drivetrain, suspension, rear end, you name it. It was basically being seam sealed down the manufacturing line. Hug orange paint job all the way around. 3 coats of primer, 3 coats of finish, 3 coats of clear. It's got stage 3 nitrous wet kit. So you have to purge the system, anything of that nature. It's got a retard timing system for the nitrous. Tuned on 93 right now. Cams, of course. It's got a CTSV, big brake kit all the way around. Z06 Corvette transmission, BMW M3 chassis, as well as rear end. So it's built for the track. Munster, stage 3 Munster racing clutch, drag clutch really. Cook's headers, high flow cats, full exhaust. But it's a fun car. Putting 622 to the wheel torque and then about 80 wheel horsepower. So
it's good.
Eventually I'll pro charge it or turbo charge it. Just haven't decided yet.
So start it up for us.
Yeah, absolutely. So interior, originally we were actually going to do a right-hand drive. So we actually ordered all parts from Australia, had everything shipped in. Long story short, didn't do it. Figured it'd just be easier going ahead and installing interior as is, American style. Hydro dipped, detail. Other than that, interior is really clean, really pretty much stock. But I'm definitely like to keep it simple. Don't like to complicate things too much. I think simple is really clean. Other than that, sadly, I am getting 11.7 to the gallon, but it's not about the, I guess, what do they say? It's miles per gallon. So this Vette, it's well organized. It has come up tremendously fast. I wouldn't think or have seen really a car cruise grow so quickly. I was actually just talking about how I've heard about it through individuals in Greensboro, Winston-Salem area, all the way Midland, Locust area, so it's growing quickly. Like I said, friendly people, well organized, and everyone should definitely come out and check it out.